Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a very tasty pickle. These berries are called as karonda in Hindi. You can see they got a light purple and green color. Sometimes they are also light pinkish and cream color. Karonda, also known as klakai in Tamil. I think there are a variety of cranberries in English. They are sour to taste and they make excellent pickle. First, we'll wash the berries thoroughly. Wash the karonda. Wash it very well in plenty of water. And then allow them to dry. If you have sunlight, you can keep in sunlight. Otherwise, spread a clean cloth and dry it under the fan inside the house also. There should be no moisture. Next, see, some of them may have a little bit of this stem attached to it. So just remove the stem and then we cut it like this. If it is tender, the seed is not very big, so we can leave it like that. But sometimes you might want to remove the seed if it is bigger. See, you have a tiny seed like this which you can remove. So we'll cut all the karondas and keep ready. See, now we have cut these karondas into half and discarded the seeds. First we have to dry roast some spices and make a powder as the pickle masala. Here I am taking half a teaspoon of crystal hing, that is asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. We will dry roast them both together. Also half a teaspoon of methi seeds. We will dry roast all of them together. Dry roast it over a low flame because the methi seed should not be burnt. See, now they are well roasted. Take it out in your mixer jar and when it cools down, we will blend it into a powder. Next, put the pan back on heat and here I have taken about half a cup of til oil, that is sesame seed oil. Generally for all South Indian pickles, we use til oil for making the pickle. Now add again about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, we will now add in these karonda pieces. And just fry it in the oil. Fry it just for a few minutes till it becomes a little bit soft. Then switch off the flame. We can add all the other masalas. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of haldi powder. I am adding about 2 teaspoons of salt. And this is dry chili which I have ground into a powder. Again, you can use any chili powder that you have. I have taken 1 teaspoon of the spicy chili powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for the color, which is not spicy. We have blended the pickle masala, that is the dry roasted spices. We will add that also. Now give everything a good mix. This is a very simple and easy pickle to make, and this karonda or klakai is generally available in this monsoon or rainy season. So when you get it, you make good use of it because it is an excellent source of vitamin C and I think it contains good quantity of iron too. So you can just allow it to cool down to room temperature and then store it in clean dry glass jars. So our South Indian style klakai or karonda pickle is now ready in just 5 minutes. Let it come down to room temperature Then store it in clean dry glass jars like this. And simple tips you have to remember: wash the berries, that is the karonda or klakai, wash it very well 2 or 3 times in water. Then spread it out on a clean cloth to dry. After that you can just cut it, desal it and make the pickle. You can enjoy it with curd rice, you can enjoy it with chapatis or parathas or whatever your fancy. It's an excellent accompaniment. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.